Um, yeah. Okay. Well, here goes nothing. I'm not sure what to do with my hands. So here go. Yeah. I don't really know what this is gonna be. I don't know what this is gonna turn out to be. But I think this is the beginning of an attempt to learn how to DJ and either record it and post it to share with whoever the hell wants to watch it, or eventually live stream. So yeah, this is fucking weird, dude. So anyway, this is an extra bedroom in my house. There's shit everywhere. And so I'm going to clean it out, and I'm going to turn this desk into a DJ table, and I'm going to learn how to DJ. And I don't know how to do shit when it comes to DJing. So that's going to be a fun adventure. We'll see. Alright. Okay. Well, I'm gonna listen to music while I do this. This kind of, oh shit, I can't even listen to music about this. I was gonna set up this fucking thing for a camera too. Okay, well, I guess no music for this. Oh, first off, I was gonna take a little video, you know, get you guys an idea of what we're working with here. It's not bad. It's not bad. But can be better. Can be resolved. We better get shit. There's a couple things that I'm gonna have for sale that I don't have, or that I'm not gonna show on camera, but that I'm gonna try to see if they're worth anything. And if they're worth something, maybe that's what buys my DJ equipment. We'll see. We'll actually see. Maybe that's the goal. Yeah. Now that I'm thinking of it, all three of you. Fucking, that's the objective, is some of the shit that I just took out of here is gonna get sold, and that's what's gonna buy me a DJ table, or a CDJ, or whatever the fuck you wanna call it. I think I can get one that's like $300 that's starting, and I don't really give a shit. I've been diving through Reddit and all that kind of shit. I don't know enough about any of it, or know who to talk to about it. So this is how we're doing it. This is how we're gonna learn. We're just gonna do. See what happens. Because there will be people that comment on shit and contact me and say, hey, this or that, try this, try that. So anyway, enough yapping, back to cleaning. This is gonna be so much fucking fun, dude. This is gonna be so dope. I kind of think that this is pretty close to as far as I can take today's episode, though. So I'm gonna piece y'all out. I just realized that I never filmed any kind of an actual outro for the first video, so thank you for watching this far, if you made it this far, for joining my beginning of the DJ learning process. Obviously, if you're watching this video, then I have a table at this point. I played around with it a little bit last night, and so now it's time to get some videos put together and get this stuff up. So thank you again. I appreciate you watching. Episode 2 coming soon, finishing out cleaning that room, and then episode 3 will be getting our table and getting it open. So appreciate it. Thank you. Love y'all. Go do something good.